More recently, I've taken on a bit more responsibility and I'm working a lot more promoting the community funding programs that HS2 does, and I've led events.
Knowing that I'll be able to take the skills that I've learnt and have the skills for life, and I think that's important, that the skills you learn within your apprenticeship, that you'll be able to apply to future jobs.
Because I work in cyber, one of the things I got to do is close an alert, and it feels really satisfying to be able to do something like that.
I recently got to speak at our sort of inaugural quality sort of conference.
Yes.
I got invited to do that by the quality team.
And it's a huge thing when you start in your journey in any career, is learning to do that public speaking. So fantastic early opportunity.
So I actually got interviewed out the blue on BBC National News. It was a very nervous moment for me, but I feel like I handled it very well. I answered the questions good, so that was a proud moment for me, definitely.
What makes you glad to have done an apprenticeship at HS2?
I'm really glad I've done it because it's given me a starting block in my career. I can see myself growing in this industry and developing and not getting, bored for a very long time.
I've got no regrets of sort of coming here. I enjoy my job every day, I always get to do different stuff, and I would never take a different route at all.
I used to think that as an apprentice, and I came at the end of my first degree and realised I was 2 or 3 years ahead of graduate colleagues because I had the on-the-job learning at the same time as the educational background, and I still went on and did a master's sponsored and stuff, so it's not a limiter, it's an enabler.
What about you, Joe?
For me, probably getting my construction skills certificate scheme or CSCS card. That allows me to go out on site more and see some of the construction we're doing at HS2, which has led on to being able to learn more about how HS2 is being built.
What do you hope to achieve out of your apprenticeship?
Obviously the qualification, but hopefully more certifications to do with my programme, so yeah, IT stuff.
Yeah, so to kind of get your technical recognition, your technical
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I just want to be the best project manager that I can possibly be, and I want to be known as that project manager who you can come to for almost anything.
I'm looking to, so I do apprenticeship internal audit. I would like to go do the certified and then eventually become a chartered auditor. And there's a clear route of progression for me, so I can see a place for me in 5 years' time here.
I think what it's given me is this sense that I've always had of lifelong learning. So even though I'll have the qualifications to be a project coordinator or an assistant project manager, it'll be that drive in me to continue learning and to continue growing.
Join us soon for episode 5, where we will be looking ahead. Make sure to visit hs2.org.uk/careers to find out more on how to apply for HS2 apprenticeships.